Hello guys, RiderTech here. So, we just left the CB125 at his service and I decided to take them on the offer of the courtesy bike. This has a cost, but I think it's worth it. And this is my first time on the scooter. First time? Well, since I got my license. And this is pretty strange. Pretty strange. So it's a twist and go. Pretty strange position, but very comfy. Very comfy. Nothing like I'm used to. Let's go through here. Oh, you cannot go through here. You need to go. So let's go through there. I forgot that we have basically no clutch. No clutch and only throttle. Very strange. Very strange. Comfortable but strange. Low power, but that's good. Pedestrians don't care. Pedestrians don't care. Very nimble, very agile. By the way, I didn't tell you guys what kind of bike this is. This is a PCX. This is a PCX 125. And okay, now I know why the car didn't go there. Very friendly. Very friendly. This is very strange. For a guy that's used to other kind of bike, this one is very strange. It's a twisted fucking guy, doesn't have mirrors. Oh, I see. Fucking guy doesn't have mirrors. So, what's it like to ride on the queen of the city? It seems nice, very comfortable, easy suspension, lots of storage, but pretty anemic as far as throttle goes. But if you need something for the city, I don't think there's anything better than this. Let's go! Funny. Very funny. Oh god. Pretty anemic. Funny thing, the back brake works better than the front one. Real. I assume the front one is the accelerator one. I am assuming. That's it, guys. I will not bore you with my trip home. But if you are looking for blistering speed, this is not it. If you want something agile and very agile with good wind protection, especially if you get the extended wind, this is it. This is the queen of the city, and I agree. Good back brake. The front brake is just full throttle. Look at this blistering acceleration. Just mind-boggling. Oh god. Now I know why people just go always on the max with this. Can we go max speed? I think my left brake is the front one, because the other one doesn't do anything. So I would say, guys, don't take this on the highway. It will do 80 fine, but I don't think that you can treat this like my CB. It's way more limited in power, acceleration, everything. Way more limited. Let's go. I find it very stable, at least for me. It's at least at low speeds, it allows you to the position that you are in is very commanding, so it allows you to do very interesting stuff. By the way, this model is the new one. It has the keyless system, and I assume the traction control, although I don't know. Well, as you guys seen on a video by me, traction control for this bike would be just for you guys to don't pin it in the wet. Otherwise, I don't see, if I didn't see the need on my CB, this is even tamer. So, but very good for the city. No questions about it. Yeah, 300 with this would be ideal, I think. Thank you guys for watching, and see ya.